In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export from Adobe Illustrator without losing quality. This is one of the most common problems beginners run into when working with Illustrator. You create something that looks perfectly sharp on your artboard, but when you export it, the image suddenly looks blurry, pixelated, or low quality. The good news is that Illustrator actually keeps your artwork as vector graphics, which means it can stay perfectly sharp at any size if you export it the right way. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through two simple methods that professionals use depending on what they need the file for. The first method is exporting as a PDF, which is perfect for printing, sharing, while keeping your artwork fully sharp. The second method is exporting as a high-quality PNG, which is great when you need an image for websites, presentations, or social media. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Illustrator tutorials like this. Now, let's jump straight into the first method. The first and best method for preserving quality in Illustrator is exporting your design as a PDF. This is especially useful for printing, sending designs to clients, or sharing files where you want the artwork to stay perfectly sharp no matter how much someone zooms in. To start, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Save As. A save window will appear, allowing you to choose where the file will be stored on your computer. At the bottom of this window, you'll see a Format drop-down menu. Click that drop-down and select Adobe PDF. Once Adobe PDF is selected, click the Save button. Illustrator will now open the PDF Export Settings window. Inside this window, you'll see several preset options that control the quality and compatibility of your exported file. For most situations, the best option is high-quality print. This preset keeps your vector artwork intact and maintains excellent quality for both digital viewing and professional printing. Make sure high-quality print is selected from the preset menu. You can usually leave the rest of the settings exactly as they are, unless you have specific printing requirements. After confirming the settings, click Save PDF. Illustrator will now export your artwork as a PDF file. The important thing to understand here is that PDF supports vector graphics, which means your shapes, lines, and typography remain mathematically defined instead of being converted into pixels. Because of this, the artwork will stay perfectly sharp at any size. Someone could zoom in extremely close or print the design on a large poster and it would still remain crisp and clean. That's why PDF is the preferred format for print design, client proofs, and professional design delivery. Now let's look at the second method, which is exporting your Illustrator artwork as a high-quality PNG image. This method is ideal when you need a raster image for things like websites, thumbnails, presentations, or uploading graphics online. Start by going to File in the top menu again. This time, hover over Export and then click Export As. A new window will appear asking where you want to save the file and what format you want to export. In the Format drop-down menu, choose PNG. If your Illustrator document contains multiple artboards, you'll also see an option called Use Artboards. Turning this on will export each artboard as its own separate image, which is extremely useful when working with multiple designs in a single document. After selecting PNG and adjusting the artboard option if needed, click Export. Illustrator will now open the PNG Export Settings window. The most important setting here is resolution. You'll see options like Screen, Medium, and High. To maintain the best quality possible, choose High, which is 300 pixels per inch. This higher resolution keeps the image crisp and detailed instead of soft or blurry. Once high resolution is selected, click OK. Illustrator will now generate a PNG image based on your artwork. Because PNG is a raster format, it converts the vector artwork into pixels, but exporting at 300 ppi ensures those pixels are dense enough to maintain strong visual quality. And that's it. Those are two simple ways to export from Illustrator without losing quality. Use the PDF method when you want to keep your artwork fully vector and perfectly sharp for printing or sharing. Use the PNG method when you need a high-quality image file for digital use. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips, tricks, and quick design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.